Here I have VIVO V11. Let me show you how to enable here the eye protection on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the down bar, and here you can quickly enable eye protection just by tapping the following icon right here. Let me tap it. Here let's tap OK to this tip, and as you can see, the eye protection is activated. Now you can also disable the eye protection in the same way. Just use the down bar. Alright, here let's tap eye protection and you just disable this mode, but you can also hold down on this icon for a little bit longer to open the eye protection settings, and here you can enable the eye protection as well, or you can set time. So here you can, for example, switch on automatically eye protection from 8 p.m. till 7 a.m. and you can set up some screen color to activate this mode. Alright, so that's it, everything went well, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.